Shubor nakaslem jong Nongtrei Hima.
Menteri ke Sorkar jela uba polling do habakren ba kinong thok khubor ulayathu bakakan hun menteri kalaminjur ban penkala ya kejing yo Shuti na banta ki Nongtrei Sorkar hakaba menchua ki yo Shuti khat Sngi henre menta ka kan hun menteri kalaminjur ban ai lai phosngi haga shisnem uba pol ulayathu badai ban aila ya ki Nongtrei Sorkar bakine shimbenta hakijing elekai ba pher kum ki athletic meet bat ki we ki rinsan bat kinu ki baya shimbenta hakabala bu ya ki tarik ni ki banai ban pelong ya ki ni ki jing elekai ba pher kan long kum ka kam ba ki trei anom khen ya ki ni ki sngi kum ki sngi shim Shuti kum shibenta bani rapru ya ka jela bakin yo bani shimbenta ha ka national games ka basaw ka ban salong house nem arhaja apunyo.
Regarding the grant of special casual leave to state government employees, there was an existing arrangement, a circular, which has now been found to be outdated, where the number of days allowed for government employees to avail of special casual leave was just 15 days in a year. We decided today that the number of days would now be double to 30 days. And more importantly, the need to allow government employees who are also taking part in games, sports and athletic meets. And whenever such occasions where various sports and games requiring the participation of government employees is concerned, that particular period will be treated as a period where government employees are actually performing their duties and will not be counted as leave. This will also help the state in meeting various requirements, especially in view of the forthcoming national games.